Today I'm going to talk about reverse string algorithm. Here in free code camp, you use the dot reverse to reverse the string here. But this time I want to reverse the string without using the dot reverse. So how do we achieve that? So first, the object is when you're given reverse string hello, you should return a string, and the string would becomes OLLEH, where it gets reversed. So that was the, so here var my string equals. First, I'm going to just do the regular method using the dot reverse. So here you go. Then you go. My string dot split. So first you need to turn it into a array by using the split. String into an array. Then second, reverse it. Dot reverse. Then using array dot prototype dot reverse to reverse the word. Third step is to join it back up with no spacing, and that turn it back to string dot join, and this one is dot split. Most of the time I forget to add these parts, so remember to use this. This is the empty space, so there's no space there. So like here, there's no empty spaces in between. So just putting quotes like this creates it with a tight word. So then you do that. Now you see that it's giving you the reverse. So next, now I want to do it without using the reverse method. And then first, this is how I do it. So when I think about reverse, I have to think about, okay, I need to go get the last one first and putting it to the first one, and then first one, and then the next one, this G goes to here, and then GG goes to here, and then H going to here, E going to here, and H going into here. So I know that I want to start looping through this thing. So first I would do, let's do something easy, so I don't have to worry about splitting it. Well, I can try it. So let's try it. So var my new array. So now I'm going to turn my string into an array. So maybe my string dot split like that. So what happens is my string is Heggy here, and I'm going to split it, which makes it into an array. And we can confirm that it has done that by just seeing what's in here. So now we know that it has been split into H, E, G, G, Y. All right, so and that's the index number. 1, 2 is G, 3 is G, and 4 is Y, and the length is 5. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do for loop here. So now we have my new array as an array. So then I'm going to do for loop. So for, oh, well, and then I want to actually, I think here it says write a function. So I'm going to do a reverse string function. So I'm going to write a function. And then, and the name of the function is reverse string function. And first, my string is gonna get converted to an array. So I'm gonna copy this part and put it here. And we know that my string is given. It's a given thing, because you give the hello here. So, oops. So then, so now this one, the step is turn the given string into an array. Okay, with no spacing. Next, oops. I guess I can clear it up. Okay, next, I wanna do, I wanna go ahead and iterate over. So this is an array of like H, E, da, da, da. So just want to remind myself what I'm dealing with here. So then I want to go ahead and start a for loop. For loop that iterates from the bottom to top. So what I mean by bottom to top is I want to iterate from very last index and then go all the way to the front, to the H. So the index of the last one, we know that for index an array is array length -1. So I'm going to write a for loop here, for, and then for loop, and I'm going to do var I, and var I is going to be equal to, so where are we going to start? Start is going to be last index. So it's going to be my string dot length -1. Then when do I want to stop? I want to stop here, which is index is 0. So I, as long as I is greater than equal to 0, keep going, but stop when it becomes negative number. So that says whenever, so at here, that's index 0, right? It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so we have 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. So when it becomes 0, you want to stop. So that means I, as long as I is bigger than 0 or equal to 0, keep going. And then I want to decrement. So I do I minus. All right, so it starts with I being 4, and then you, every time it loops, and you'll come back here for the second looping, and you will decrement each time. Then I'm gonna do, I wanna create a holding pot. So let me see. So var holding pot. Okay, and I'm gonna make this into a array. And it's gonna push into this holding pot. So it would be holding pot dot push, and it will push my string, because it's going array, it's iterating through this array right now. So my string array. Oh no, it will iterate through my new array, because now my string became my new array. So I want to iterate through so this is wrong. So my new array dot length, because that's what we're iterating through. Push my new array, and then I want to go to each value that we're on, so current value that I'm on. So this becomes the very first time it will be y, because it will be my new array length minus 1 is 4. So it will be my new array square bracket 4 would give me y. And then it will just keep decrementing. So it will be 3, 2, 1, 0. Okay, so then once that's finished, then holding pot now has all the values that is reversed. So then, we can do, okay, so then what we can do is at the end, we can return, and then we can new array. I don't know, maybe we can do return holding pot dot this push. So you push it, so then it's an array. I want to go back to string. So then once I have everything, I want to split, and then it was a split. It was split and then reverse and join. So you want to use join. So join, and let's just create another variable, result. And that's going to be a final result. Final result. So holding pot holds all the array that is reversed. Holds reversed array. And then final result turns it back to string. There you go. So I want to do final result equal to holding pot dot join, and give me no space between them. Okay, so then I want to call it to see what happens. Reverse string.